Okay, so we have 3 examples in this video. I'll number these real quick. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's deal with the first one. And we're going to go ahead and solve for x. And these are just different variations of situations in which we need to solve using a logarithm. This one's base e. So I'm going to have to use a natural log, but I want the whole exponential function by itself. So that means the first thing I got to do is add 22 to both sides. So e to the 4x is equal to, this cancels out, and 56 plus 22, 78. And now that I've done that, I'm going to introduce a log on both sides. And because of that log being there, we have our power property, but we also, even easier, we have this one-to-one property, so the natural log and e cancel out. And then at this step, all I have to do is divide out the 4. And don't forget, on your calculator, you want to close the parentheses for the logarithm. And after we do that, we're going to get negative 1.09 for x. So you can plug it back in here, and it will work out. Let's go ahead and move along to number 2. We'll do this down here. And we have natural log of 2x is equal to 3. So what I'm actually going to do is, I don't like the way it looks in exponential form, or excuse me, in logarithmic form. I know it's base e. I'm going to rewrite it in exponential form and see what I get. Well, I get e cubed equals 2x. Well, that's easy. I can do e on my calculator, and I get this value. So I'm going to take out my calculator and plug in e cubed and divide it by 2. And from there, it's a pretty easy problem. We're round to nearest hundredth, I think I said, so 10.04. Last but not least, we're going to do number 3. So here's another situation in which I have 3 natural log of x plus 3 is equal to 1. Before I convert, I want to move this guy over. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And then I'm at a position where I can get that natural log x by itself. So I'm going to divide out that 3. I get natural log of x is equal to negative 2/3. And then I'm going to convert. I convert it to exponential form. I get e to the negative 2/3 is equal to x. And I can simplify that by using my calculator. And I get 0.51. It's pretty much up for chapter 6-7. A lot of it, the ideas mesh with 6-6 and 6-7, so it's a lot of the same skill over and over again.